And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, he's done it. 10. A new world record, I think. Yes, 1. And 2. Oh, unlucky, mate. Go again. Yes, 3. And that's 4. To begin. 2 on 1, ganging up on him, and there he goes. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Right, as you can probably see, badminton is the fastest racket sport in the world, measured by racket head speed. Tennis averages just over 3 shots per rally. Oh, yes! Whereas badminton comes in at a whopping 14 shots on average per rally. Finish him off, Pete, anytime you want. Put him to the sword. Oh, longer, come on. 200 miles an hour. Oh, nearly. Right, come on. This one. Oh! Oh. Unlucky, unlucky. This one, this one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's it. That is it. Oh, right. That is unbelievable. Look at that. Hang on. Oh, he's done it. It's wedged. It is wedged solid, mate. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is unbelievable. The shuttlecock is actually inside the watermelon. Oh.